Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro is one of the best video editing apps out there. It's got so many great features, effects, transitions, and much more. This will guide you through how you can go and get it on your computer. To go and get started, open up a web browser of your choice. And then what you want to do is go and type in Premiere Pro like so. Come down and make sure you find the official Adobe site, this one here, and it's adobe.com. There may be a free trial you can get for. Otherwise, you can press buy now and you can go and subscribe after you subscribe. Or if you are already subscribed, you can press your profile icon in the top right, which is your Adobe account, and you can press manage account. This will bring you to the Adobe account page. Wait for this to load. Now you're going to go and see the different apps you currently have. You want to go and find Premiere Pro, and it will go and start. When it's finished, it will go and say open in desktop, and what you can do is go and click on it and Premiere is going to go and open. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.